Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Do you create videos for TikTok, Reels, or YouTube Shorts and struggle to record alone? Sometimes your hand shakes, the light is bad, or no one is there to hold your phone. Today, I have an affordable solution. A 3-in-1 wireless Bluetooth selfie stick, tripod stand, and beauty LED light. It features a durable plastic handle and a stainless steel rod that extends to 3.5 feet. The 360-degree rotating phone holder with soft padding lets you switch easily between vertical and horizontal recording. Open the handle base, and it converts into a stable tripod with anti-slip rubber pads. The detachable Bluetooth remote works up to 10 meters away, letting you shoot hands-free. The rechargeable Beauty LED light offers multiple brightness levels to brighten your face indoors or in low light. It folds compactly for travel, saving both money and space. Check the price via the AliExpress link below. If you enjoyed this review, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.